Hey my dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture I am going to show you how to create multiple videos in one screen. So without any further delay, let's get started. Look at, I already added 4 video footage in this section. First of all, I will add this one in timeline. Just follow the process. I just drag and drop it in here. Then choose second footage. Then drag and drop it in here. After that, choose third footage. Then drag and drop it in here. Finally, choose last one. Then drag and drop it in here. Now follow the process carefully. I just zoom in out. At the time, I will select all layer like this. Then click right button of my mouse and choose unlink. At the same time, I will select only audio layer like this. Then press delete from my keyboard. Now there is no sound available in this footage. Now I will adjust this footage in one screen. Just follow the process. First of all, I select this footage. Then go effect control. Then select scale and decrease it from here like this. Then move it as you need like this. Now I will select this footage. Then again choose scale. Then set it as before. Just follow the process carefully. Then set it as you need. Now choose third one. Just click here and set it. Just follow the process carefully. Finally choose last one. Just click here and go effect control and choose scale. Then resize it. Alright, the work is almost done. At the moment I select this footage. Then drag it up like this. Then choose this one. Then set it under below like this. Now choose this one and set it like before. Just follow the process carefully. Finally choose this one and set it like this. Now I will cut the additional part. Just follow the process. Just stretch it as my need. At the time I will add a background music. That's why I click here and find my background music. Suppose I need this one. Now I will add it. Just follow the process. Okay, finally I am playing it for testing. Just follow the process carefully. I am playing. Absolutely, it's working nicely, right? Therefore, my dear students, I hope in this way you can simply create multiple videos in one screen. Thank you very much for supporting me.